spending entire days manually clicking Canadian corporate job postings on your personal computer monitor is extremely exhausting. It drains your valuable daily creative mental energy reserves completely, while producing almost zero positive results. Traditional manual application submittals rarely yield direct executive recruiter responses or formal phone interview schedule invitations. Most human resource managers rely on hidden cloud scanning applications to sort submissions before reading credentials. Human processing speeds simply cannot compete with highly optimized corporate filtering algorithmic engines tracking candidate data. If you submit profiles manually one by one, you remain structurally trapped behind thousands of competing applicants. Smart digital tech professionals deploy intelligent automated background systems to expand their active employment pipelines massively. This paradigm shift saves thousands of hours of manual labor while targeting verified top-tier Canadian companies. This specific operational blueprint automates your entire professional outreach strategy seamlessly without requiring human supervision. You can bypass the broken standard system while preserving your capital and writing off home office expenses legally. The first powerful cloud execution tool you must leverage is titled Loopcv Platform Software. This specialized system functions as an autonomous job application agent that constantly monitors newly published local corporate listings. Upload your optimized resume document files directly into their central processing web server cloud database. Ensure your file format is plain text format to pass through initial system evaluation mechanisms without friction. Define your target Canadian geographic locations precisely, like Toronto, Ontario, or Vancouver, British Columbia provinces. Specify your exact industry target job titles, along with your baseline expected minimum annual salary threshold variables. The background engine systematically runs search queries across 20 distinct global corporate recruitment boards. Simultaneously, this cloud architecture ensures your matching footprint remains active 24 hours a day without downtime metrics. Loop systematically submits your credentials to hundreds of employers every single week completely unassisted. It automatically attaches tailored cover letters and inputs historical workspace milestone details into corresponding entry fields accurately. The second specialized desktop browser automation extension tool is titled LazyApply Extension Software Ecosystem. This application operates directly within your personal active internet browser window to execute high-velocity submission protocols. This algorithmic extension targets specific easy-apply application interactive buttons across massive business professional platforms. It clicks through multi-step confirmation menus instantly without introducing any human manual clicking delay patterns. You prefill complicated recurring security screening questionnaire fields utilizing their centralized profile dashboard system. Store your standardized answers for common questions regarding citizenship status and total years of operational expertise safely. Bypass tedious corporate applicant portal tracking system repetitive sequences with extreme technical efficiency and speed. The extension automatically answers multiple choice criteria parameters based on your pre-configured target account preferences. Execute up to 150 automated applications daily while focusing on other high-value digital revenue generation activities. Let the background engine navigate complex tracking systems while you build Shopify stores. Highly advanced technical software operators program dedicated custom web scraping automation source code from scratch. This custom approach eliminates monthly subscription costs entirely, while granting you absolute functional architectural customization privileges. Utilize powerful open-source browser manipulation libraries, widely known inside the engineering industry as Selenium WebDriver scripts. This code instructs an isolated, automated browser instance to log into your destination profiles securely. Program smart custom conditional script logic parameters to scrap specific high-paying regional remote technical postings. Filter out low-revenue opportunities automatically based on predefined conversational textual tracking arrays inside your codebase. This manual programmatic methodology affords your digital brand complete control over operational automation execution timing intervals. You can fine-tune script requests to match realistic conversational human scrolling habits perfectly. Completely avoid automated platform security protective detection barriers by injecting randomized delay commands between actions. This defensive mechanism keeps your primary corporate communication asset safe from platform restriction protocols forever. Enterprise hiring corporate entities deploy advanced screening applications known as Applicant Tracking System database tools. These systemic programs automatically evaluate incoming text resume files against internal department keyword requirements instantly. These automated filters routinely discard up to 90% of independent applicant submissions before human eyes ever view credentials. If your formatting layout contains complex graphics, the parsing machine rejects your file. Inject highly specific regional corporate technical industry keywords directly into your primary profile textual experience fields. This data optimization process ensures the screening mechanism ranks your profile at the top tier. Match the exact technical vocabulary and phrases utilized inside target employment description document paragraphs. Completely, this structural alignment method bypasses corporate filtering barriers by demonstrating artificial intelligence matching score perfection instantly. Your automated background submission sequence now scores maximum data relevance metrics within corporate enterprise evaluation systems. Recruiter inboxes will receive your optimized application profile containing targeted high-revenue skill alignment values. Do not limit your automated execution protocols to simple passive digital corporate board listings. Exclusively expand your operation outward to build active conversational real-time communication bridges directly with enterprise talent acquisition gatekeepers. Use specialized cloud scraping extraction utilities to systematically identify active regional headhunters managing departments. Filter specifically for personnel supervising information technology, modern artificial intelligence, or automated cross-border logistics systems. Direct your background computer programming scripts to transmit highly structured, personalized introductory messages. These messages must explicitly address their current operational corporate scaling pain points without sounding robotic or repetitive. Politely request a brief 10-minute exploratory conversation regarding their upcoming enterprise structural workforce changes. This proactive micro-communication hack bypasses standard corporate bottlenecks and places your profile directly inside their review. Scale this specific personalized outbound alignment relationship sequence across hundreds of distinct corporate organizations concurrently. This multi-track approach guarantees consistent high-volume interview booking metrics inside your dashboard every week. Mass velocity application execution protocols can accidentally trigger internal corporate network profile security infrastructure parameters, sending thousands of identical data requests simultaneously. Might cause platforms to flag your personal user account profiles. Strictly cap your total maximum automated submission volume to 50 distinct targeted inquiries daily. This specific numerical safety threshold ensures your computational actions appear completely natural to external monitoring algorithmic scripts. Space your programmatic computer actions using randomized, varied interval commands to simulate organic human behavior. Avoid continuous high-frequency actions that systematically violate standard user agreement policies to maintain structural safety forever. Rapid, unmeasured spam submission behaviors will completely destroy your digital corporate matching footprint reputation score. Protect your identity asset by configuring intelligent defensive scheduling protocols directly inside your software script parameters. Maintain a systematic, highly measured operational cadence to ensure long-term pipeline scalability across Canada. This patient engineering method preserves your standing while quietly filling your professional calendar with corporate invitations. Deploying high-velocity computer automation naturally generates a massive, continuous influx of formal recruiter inbound invitations. You must organize these incoming professional evaluation opportunities systematically to avoid critical calendar tracking errors. Structuring an interactive online digital database table allows you to seamlessly manage corporate interview pipeline components, document specific company names, offered compensation parameters, and exact technical department interview tracking dates meticulously. Block out specific morning operational hours inside your home workspace exclusively for executive panel evaluations. Ensure your presentation background remains highly professional while utilizing premium electronic microphone capturing devices for clarity. Continuously analyze response ratio data metrics to dynamically tune your background automation system keyword criteria. Tracking these specific operational values ensures your matching accuracy scales consistently higher over fixed time horizons. Convert raw decentralized digital outbound metrics directly into multiple concurrent high-paying contractual employment offers. This ultimate automation strategy completely shifts market leverage into your personal domain. Within the ecosystem, securing multiple concurrent enterprise employment invitations simultaneously transforms your personal negotiation leverage positions completely. Never accept initial baseline salary options presented by corporate human resource managers during early onboarding review stages. Formally reference your competing industrial corporate pipelines to justify premium upward shifts in yearly compensation. Explain your operational expertise metrics clearly while maintaining absolute professional confidence throughout the collaborative dialogue sessions. Demand comprehensive remote work business infrastructure stipends along with maximum health insurance coverage allowances. These specific hidden contractual line items save thousands of out-of-pocket dollars over operational fiscal timelines. Request explicit performance milestones that trigger automated annual equity share or stock allocation distributions. Incorporating corporate ownership elements significantly multiplies your long-term capital generation outside basic liquid currency frameworks. This advanced algorithmic automation methodology ensures you claim maximum true market value for your specialized skills. Stop exchanging manual hourly labor for baseline minimum compensation inside an optimized domestic traditional systems. Do you want access to my proprietary custom automated application Python script template blueprints? I have structured the entire codebase repository file package to launch seamlessly inside your personal computer terminal. Simply type the exact word automate inside the open public comment section located below. Our automated transmission system backend will instantly deliver the direct document download link assets into your inbox. Integrate your professional execution operations directly with our premium growing Canada Daily Code Network system. Aligning with advanced digital operators allows you to bypass critical systemic optimization mistakes completely from day one. Click the bright red network subscribe channel notification button immediately for continuous algorithmic authority updates. We continuously unpack highly specialized wealth accumulation systems engineered explicitly for modern Canadian digital brand builders. Let our computational engineering systems completely automate your strategic path toward absolute long-term financial freedom. Protect your time asset, maximize your corporate revenues, and hack the system today.